Feeding your sick baby. So from time to time, your baby can be sick either with teething, cold or flu, or diarrhea. So it's really important to keep them hydrated. So that's the main thing. So making sure that they still take their milk, either breast or bottle. And then after that, for a cold, it's great to get vitamin C in, so lots of fruit and vegetables. And easy purees for baby is best. Here are some recipes I suggest when your baby is feeling under the weather. My peach puree with ginger and basil, so that fresh zingy flavour will give that added kick when your baby's sense of taste is reduced. My vegetable and lentil puree, it's packed full of nutritious vegetables and a winner for colds, and great with the texture when baby is off their usual food. Boiled egg and avocado toast is actually quite plain, and it gives that binding substance when perhaps your baby has diarrhea. So when your baby is constipated, we want to get more fibre in there. So my apple, cinnamon and prunes puree is a great one to give baby. So getting baby back on track when they've been unwell, I would offer their favourite puree. This will give them a chance to kind of build up their appetite from being sick. I would continue offering purees that are high in vitamin C. This will help the body recover faster. So take each day as it comes and continue to offer the 3 meals a day that you previously offered before your baby was sick. Try not to offer alternatives, so their favourite puree, or they will continue on wanting this when they're completely well and recovered. And most importantly, make sure your baby is getting enough liquid. This is the most important when your baby is unwell. So head to mummycooks.com for all your weaning advice on travel, on feeding a sick baby or feeding a toddler.